Hi, this is Joshua. Welcome in. And in this video, I have given you the exact topics which will be covered in this webinar. Let's say if you are having a long text document and if you don't have time to read it completely, you can use this prompt TL:DR. So you can add this prompt either at the front of your text document or at the last. So this means too long, didn't read. This will give you the highlights and the key points of the document even without reading the entire document. And we can do the same for videos as well. You don't have to watch the entire video. Without watching the entire video, you can just get the crisp of that entire video. If you are asking ChatGPT for the exact number of cars in this world or the exact number of books in this world, it will probably give you a reply that it is impossible to find it out. But if you add this prompt, let's think step by step, the response that we get will be totally different. So this is the difference between a normal user and a prompt engineer. So we'll be discussing about many premium prompts. So these prompts are not easily available on Google, YouTube or any other free platform. In marketing, we'll be discussing about promotions in 4 platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and Google Ads. So promotion is nothing but reaching out to a wider range of audience and to increase the visibility of your content. Let's say for example, if you have made a very good content and if you upload it on Instagram, your followers can see that, right? But if you are not in my followers list and if you are able to see my content, it's because I have promoted that content. We will be discussing how to promote your content on 4 platforms, which is Instagram, YouTube, Google Ads and Facebook. I am not a person from the website development or designing background, and this is the first website which I created. So it's very easy. It's completely drag and drop, and also we'll be integrating ChatGPT to enhance its looks. We'll be doing this in 3 methods. In the first method, we'll be discussing how to generate a website within 30 seconds. So this is a very easy method. You just have to enter the topic. Let's say if you want a web page for a dog store, you just have to enter your title and the website will be generated within 30 seconds. And we'll be discussing how to modify that, like adding new pictures, adding your contact details and everything. So we'll be discussing how to modify that. This is a very easy method. In the second method, we'll be discussing how to build a website from the scratch. So it's completely drag and drop. You will already be having many images, elements and everything. You just have to drag, drop and you can build it on your own. And in this method, you'll be having more options to personalize your website. This third method is a paid version. And in this method, you can interact and create a website. Let's say you can just chat and say, change the color and AI will automatically change the color. So this is a paid method and we will not be diving much deeper into this method. We will be discussing about 4 ways by which we can create videos. So the first one is the talking head videos. So talking head video is nothing but talking in front of the camera, the one which I'm doing right now. And the next one is the presentation video or the voiceover video. So in this method, you will be sharing your screen and just your voice will be heard. So if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to, but if you want, you can also add your talking head video to it. And the next method is creating an avatar.
Hi, I am a bot created by Joshua Israel. You can choose any bot like me and build your content. Meet you in the webinar.
So you will not be talking, but the avatar will talk all the content that you want it to be delivered. And the last method is lip sync video. Lip sync video is nothing but you will just upload one of your photos and you can just give the script that it has to deliver, and with your voice, the content will be delivered.
Hi, this is a lip sync video. I'm doing it with a different voice.
I'm not at all a person from the design background, and this is the first design which I created. So it's very easy. It's completely drag and drop. So you don't have to have any prior knowledge about designing or anything. Anyone can learn it very easily. And also we will be integrating ChatGPT to enhance the looks. And in the designing part, we are going to learn how to create posters and how to create ads in order to boost it in your social media. Editing, we'll be discussing about video editing and picture editing. So in video editing, we'll be discussing about auto trim. So let's say if you have uploaded your video, maybe if you have taken many takes, so AI will automatically detect the right take and it will automatically crop it for you. So you don't have to manually get in and check it completely. So this is auto trim. And the next one is auto edit. So in auto edit, you just have to upload your video and AI will do all the parts, right from removing the background noise, adding new background musics, adding the text and almost even the BGM sync will be done by AI. We will also be discussing about the manual editing. Let's say if we want to add some text in between, or if we want to insert an image or a voiceover, and all the basic editings will be covered in this webinar. In picture editing, you can change your outfit just with the prompt. You can remove the background. You can remove any objects which is in your image. And we'll be discussing all the basic editing tools that we have to learn. There is an image generation tool which is even better than DALI, and it is not very popularly known outside. So we'll be discussing about that. We'll be discussing how to create a presentation in seconds, and also we'll be discussing about many other AI tools. In this topic, we'll be discussing right from choosing your equipment till uploading your content on Udemy. And we will also be discussing how to avoid the common mistakes which everyone will be making while making their first course on Udemy. If you are a person who wants to create a passive income throughout your life by creating online courses on Udemy, Skillshare, and other platforms, or if you are a person who already has a business idea and waiting for the technical part, you can definitely sign in for this webinar. We'll meet you in the webinar.